Have you ever thought investing is only for the rich or people who already understand finance deeply? I used to think that too, until I realized how long-term investing actually works. Today, I'm going to break it down for you with simple examples and real options anyone, even a student or a freelancer, can start with. Let's begin with this. Long-term investing isn't about chasing quick profits or picking the next big stock. It's about building wealth slowly and steadily, kind of like how you grow muscle by working out a little every day. When I got my first freelance project, I started saving just 500 rupees a week. Instead of letting it sit idle, I put it into a SIP. That's a systematic investment plan in a mutual fund. Now, here's the interesting part. That same small weekly investment added up over time, and even with market ups and downs, it grew far more than a savings account ever could. So, what are some actual long-term investments you can look into? Start with index funds. They're simple, low cost, and follow the market. You don't need to be an expert. Your money grows as the market grows. Then there's Public Provident Fund, PPF in India, a government-backed option with decent interest and tax benefits if you keep it for 15 years. Or look into ELSS mutual funds, which are tax-saving and come with a 3-year lock-in. Great for disciplined investors. Even real estate, when planned smartly, becomes a great long-term asset, not just for rental income, but value appreciation. Now, here's a story that really opened my eyes. A friend of mine started investing 10,000 rupees a month into an index fund at age 25. He never stopped, even when the market crashed. By the time he turned 40, his investments had grown to over 35 lakh rupees, and most of that was from compounding, not from what he invested directly. He let time do the heavy lifting. The key here is not to get obsessed with returns in the first year. Markets will go up and down. That's normal. But if you stay consistent, add a little each month, and don't pull out your money at the first sign of red, you'll be way ahead in the long run. Want to know a simple trick? Set up auto debits from your account into your investment. Treat it like a monthly bill. You won't even notice the money leaving, but future, you will be grateful you did it. Now, here's something you might not expect. Even investing just 2,000 rupees a month in a basic mutual fund for 20 years, assuming an average return, could grow to nearly 1 million rupees. That's the magic of starting small and starting early. So let me ask you, what's stopping you? You don't need thousands of dollars or advanced knowledge. All you need is the willingness to start and to keep going. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Ever Wealthy. We simplify finance so you can build the life you dream of. Drop a comment, which long-term investment would you start with today? Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time, and the best time to start is now.